Good day, Kout family. I am so fortunate being at Kout for 16 years. My beginning as AM2 in Pizza Hut way back 2006 is full of challenges, fun, excitement, and happiness. But I may say that through the help and support of my team, trust of the leaders helped me to be successful and where I am right now. The ladder of success is not easy. You need a lot of determination, self-discipline, and strong will. And that made me proud as a woman who believes in equality. We have to respect women, not because of the gender, but for own identity. From assistant manager to RM, RGM, and now as multi-unit manager and the only woman as a store or above store leader in Pizza Hut, I may share my top secret. First is believe in yourself. It's very important. Do not let anyone to pull you down and to question your worth and your capabilities. The second is self-discipline. It will going to help you to be more persistent in front of failures and setbacks. Third, trust your team. Motivate and recognize. They are the key for your success. And last, respect the leaders, trust the process. They will give you the fair and clear path to success. We are women and we will rise to try. Thank you.
Empowering women is empowering humanity. First of all, happy Women's Day to all. We are celebrating International Women's Day. I'm extremely glad to be given the opportunity to talk with you today. Empowering women has been a great responsibility in the 21st century, and it is necessary for gender equality. In the past, women were confined and limited to their responsibilities and roles, but today, society has seen a lot of changes. Today, women have started realizing their strength and are contributing to the success of their home and entire civilization. Modern women are self-confident and strong and should be respected, not because of their gender, but because of who they are as people. We must also agree that both men and women contribute to the development of homes and communities. Today, I am very proud to be a leader in Kout, striving to inspire others and contribute to the change and growth of this organization and its people. I'm grateful for the opportunity and support that I have received here throughout my journey at Kout, where I started as a marketing officer and grew to be the head of the marketing department. Determination, dedication, consistency, and confidence led me to where I am today. So, on this International Women's Day, let's recognize the women in our lives and society and motivate them for greater future achievements.
Hi everyone. Life is all about journey, and one of my meaningful journey is working with Kout Food Group. Kout has given me opportunity to learn, grow, and expand my career. Kout teach me many things in life, self-confident on how to become a strong working woman, a humble person, a patient individual. With Kout, I feel secure, no harassment, open-minded, and caring. My career grew with Kout, starting by working as a team member, and over the years I have grown in my career, and currently working as an officer admin in government formalities HR. Kout is become my second home in life, where I have spent my half of my life serving Kout since 2003 until today. I have such a great leader and wonderful colleagues I have worked with. Together we work hard, together we race, together we rise and thrive. I am so grateful being part of Kout family, and as a woman, I am strong, multitasking, never giving up on my dream. Every woman has a right to decide what she wants. Let us support an equal, fair, and violence-free environment. Wishing you all Happy International Women's Day.
My work life at Kout has always given me the job satisfaction, the work recognition, career growth, and the joy, and I'll always be thankful for that. Kout has always offered a strong platform for learning and growth. Despite our complexities, we are in a friendly atmosphere. We are one big family, valued, loved, and respected. Kout is a company with a vision towards business with a heart, where every employee has an opportunity to open the gates of a successful future. I would like to thank Madam Fadwa for her help extended to me. Thank you, Sula. You have always been a great inspiration and motivation to all the women at Kout. We miss you. Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful women at Kout. Thank you.